Introducing the 2021 Skoda Karoq STY 2.0tdi 115HP in sleek grey. This estate jocks Jeep has a powerful 2-litre diesel engine with manual transmission for a smooth ride, packed with comfort features like air conditioning, cruise control and satellite navigation. This car is perfect for any journey. Stay safe with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. With stylish additions like privacy glass and roof rails, this vehicle stands out on the road. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.